this.
Ladies and gentlemen, the world famous Shockwave record holder, 375 miles an hour. You're going to try and outdo that and race John Nelson.
Holy shit.
Now, Rick, we were talking earlier about Shockwave. He has all that cool stuff down there by the truck and trailer. Sunglasses, t-shirts. You can even take a ride in the Shockwave if you're brave enough. But other than see Chris will tell you how.
Look at the energy just coming out of the stacks. All the flames shooting out the back of those three afterburners. Over 3,000 horsepower.
Yeah, well over. Now, the only thing with a lower flash point to the fabric wings of John's airplane is all that product he has in his hair. When he gets near, keep an eye on him. He won't get that close. Gonna roll the wheels off Chris's hood. Turn around now. Hope they're ready down there on the other side, Ricky P.
You know the chalets now, you're going to get in close to you and a couple of pops.
Look at this. Hold on to your hat. Here we go. Watch him, folks. Get on your feet, because you're going to want to see this. The engine's coming up now to full power. The stacks are lit. Melby in the dive. Now, well over 200 knots. Rick Peterson, you call the race.
Melby's coming in, and here they go. And Melby's stretching right out in front. He's got the advantage right now, but here comes the truck.
Faster.
That truck now,
Wow.
360, 365, 370.
Holy smokes, like a greased camel down the raceway where I'm from. That was fast, Rick Peterson. Did you see that? What a run.
373.